Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to my YouTube channel Siddharth Lecture. So today we are going to discuss on how Java is dynamic language. Let's start. Java is dynamic programming language from two point of view, memory point of view and functionality point of view. Java is dynamic from memory point of view. It means we can allocate multiple copy of memory from the same variable at the execution time by using the new keyword. Also Java is dynamic from functionality point of view. It means once we develop a project, after that we can add more feature and we can modify existing feature dynamically without modifying source code. It is possible because of oops concept like inheritance and polymorphism. If we want to call language is dynamic, we must allocate multiple copy of memory and add more feature without modifying source code. That's it.